Hello guys! Welcome back again to my channel. So ngayon, for today's vlog again, is I'm gonna show you how I make my own Cajun sauce. So, gusto kong samahan niyo ako guys kung paano ako gumagawa ng aking Cajun sauce. Mas masarap, mas malasa. So, let's go guys! Samahan niyo ako. Let's go! Thank you so much for watching. So, ayan guys. Hope ko na nagustuhan nyo ang aking vlog for today. At kung bago ka pa lang po sa aking YouTube channel, don't forget to like and share. And don't forget to subscribe. Pakiclick lang po yung red bell button below para updated po kayo lagi. So, thank you so much. Hope ko na nag-enjoy kayo guys. Keep safe and God bless po. Bye!